Remember Moneyball? A movie was made about this historic event where two guys from the Oakland A's compiled all statistics in Major League Baseball to create the best all-star team of misfits. And they later went on to break the longest winning streak in American League history. With this happening nearly 20 years ago, data revolutionized the sports world. And today, almost every key decision in every sport at all levels is based upon this data, namely statistics and analytics. Sports statistics and analytics are used for more than just knowing who won a game. It's deeply used for everything from coaching and training athletes to recruiting and trading them. So how do coaches, trainers, and scouts get this data? The same way they have been for the past century. A team of people manually tally stat sheets by hand or thumb punch stats into an app during live games, only to have to go back and re-watch the game multiple times in slow-mo to pull out the more meaningful statistics and analytics. Slow, inefficient, labor-intensive, and limited reach. The global sports analytics market is growing by 40% every year and will burn through $4 billion annually from this manual human labor cost. This antiquated industry inhales data, but is choking on what it takes to gather it. And soon, the global sports analytics market, its needs, will quickly outgrow the hands that can feed it unless there's a streamlined solution that can keep up. I'm Renji, founder and CEO of Arajoy, and we're here to solve this problem. As I mentioned earlier, data clearly revolutionized the sports world, and so now our mission is to revolutionize sport data. The current manual process from end to end consists of manually filming the game and quickly trying to distribute film to coaching staff and players for critiquing, while analysts go behind the scenes and gather statistics for more insight. Now, there are a lot of manual things at every step of this process, especially on the game breakdown side, leading to high cost and slow delivery, all of which can be automated using artificial intelligence, also known as AI. How? Drones with autopilot. Our software enables drones with a high-resolution camera to follow any player or any play without a human pilot involved. Drones are inexpensive, portable, and repeatable. Second, we deliver higher quality stats faster and at a significantly lower cost. While the clean aerial angle is being filmed, our computer vision algorithms log all statistics, which our AI engine then interprets to provide analytical feedback. The global sports analytics market is booming, $4 billion globally. In US sports alone, the serviceable available market is currently $460 million. Our first target market, where we're laser focused, is American football. It's big, and it's structured to help us grow and succeed. We have the opportunity to capture $170 million of the American football market in just the next few years. And after that, soccer, rugby, lacrosse, cricket, you name it, worldwide, working us to the left toward automating the entire $4 billion manual problem, which again is growing by 40% every year. Our SaaS revenue model complements the American football segment's structure, which is essentially the same in almost every other sport. Tier 1, high school, Tier 2, college, and Tier 3, pro. The first tier is drone autofilming. Pull out the drone and any smartphone, trigger autopilot, and all plays will automatically be recorded and distributed to teams in real time. Drones are already being easily adopted into the high school football world. Almost every coach we've talked to either owns a drone or wants to purchase one because they know of a competing team who already has one. The second tier is perfect for college. Automated analytics, where we gather statistics from this footage and analyze it for the team after recording. And the third tier is real-time analytics, computed live on the field, and speed is everything at the NFL level. Each tier is inclusive of the tiers before it, and all tiers are open for purchase across the different sport levels. Some high schools can afford college-level tools, and some colleges can afford NFL-level tools. But ultimately, our product offerings are modeled around the American football segment's structure. And our team has the background to get the job done. I'm also our CTO. I've led several Fortune 500 software development teams, but ultimately completed my master's in artificial intelligence from Georgia Tech, the #3 computer science grad school in the nation. I'm also one of only 200 people selected worldwide for Udacity's self-driving car engineer pilot program. My co-founder, Ben Chu, brings elite startup experience, being an advisor for multiple startups. He worked for Google for 6 years, then was CFO of a 350-person startup that won the Atlanta's Fastest Growing Company Award in 2015. And it doesn't hurt that we've been close brothers in the faith for the past decade. We also have an advisor who's internationally known in the professional sports world. He built the world's leading sports prediction software and is excited to help Arajoy build the future of real-time sports analytics. So where are we now? We're executing on this vision in 3 phases. Phase 1, we found a way to make drone video readily available and distributed to teams in real time. This phase conditions the market to easily adopt phase 2, where we'll automate drone filming using our autopilot software. This gives us clean aerial views for phase 3, where we will gather statistics from this footage and give teams unique insight into their performance. We've already executed on phase 1 and are currently developing phase 2, with teams already signed up to pilot our first version of drone autofilming this fall. The age of artificial intelligence, infused with other powerful technologies, is now here, propelling mankind into the future like never before. And we're doing the same in the sports arena. Not only do we know how to bring this revolutionary technology to the market, but I also have access to some of the world's most advanced pools of AI talent through Georgia Tech and Udacity's exclusive AI networks. And capital will allow us to leverage that talent to accelerate our market launch. So if you want to be part of this new wave of technology that will revolutionize the sports world, come and talk to us. May our Lord Jesus Christ be glorified in the things that we do. Thank you.